Starting with a suitcase that's seen better days? Don't worry. Reviving your travel buddy is easier than you think. First up, dive into the main compartment and find that hidden zipper at the bottom. Unzip it to reveal the secret world inside your case. Next, secure the lining with clips to keep it out of your way. You'll see protective tape covering the wheel secrets. Grab a nail driver and unscrew all 4 screws to free the inner shell and the worn wheel. Out with the old and in with the new wheel, fitting it snugly from the outside. Place the inner shell back, ensuring everything's aligned, then screw everything back into place. And zip up that hidden zipper to tidy up. Finally, give your suitcase a spin on a flat surface to see it glide like new. Remember, choosing the right tools makes this process a breeze, and a quick test spin ensures your travels will be smooth.